Hey YouTube, this is Mr. BlackFox44, and this is a video on the difference between a real Zippo and a fake Zippo. So, for those of you that didn't know, this is the fake Zippo right here, and this is a real Zippo. It's just a brushed chrome finish. It's a pretty basic Zippo. Alright, so on the outside, the basic thing to look for is the bottom stamp right there. You can see it says Zippo 09 for the year. It's a J for the month, and it's A through L, I believe. Bradford, Pennsylvania, made in USA. Okay, now the fake says 2007 limited edition, made in China. Okay, so Zippo does make a Sailor Jerry lighter. This isn't it, obviously. This is a fake. Okay, so first here's the sound of the fake lighter. Now the sound of a Zippo. So I mean, real Zippos pretty much all sound like that. The fakes pretty much sound like this. It's not echoing, it's just a really bad, dull click. Okay, so now on the inside. So let's just look at this Zippo really quick. So there it is. Okay, so if you're looking at this, the pin on that wheel there and there, they're brass. Zippo does not use brass on their pins. They don't do it. So that's one thing you're looking for. They just don't use brass. So here's the real Zippo. You can see they're steel. So here you can also see the chimney. The holes are just on the fake. They're in the wrong spots. I mean, here's the pattern of a real Zippo. Pretty much they're all like that. Unless you have a pipe lighter, of course, and they're different, but okay. So now you look at this right here. So you see that it has a cutout here, and this is normally on a real Zippo. It's larger than on the fakes. I don't know why. It's also, see how that's a dark color? That's a lighter color. This is the real Zippo, I mean, come on. So now if you look at the wick here, it's really low in the Zippo. It's really bad quality. Neither of these lighters have been filled with fluid, so they're not really used. But if you look there, you see the good wick quality. It's high up and it has the copper strands running through it. So then here, so these Zippos have never been used and they're the same age. So here's the flint on the fake Zippo. It doesn't even strike. That's how bad it is. The real one, okay, so here it is. Strikes every time, no problem. Alright, so if you want to actually look at the case really quick, just give me 1 second. Alright, so the case on the fake Zippo, I don't know if you're going to be able to see this, probably not. Okay, down in there, oh there we go, there is a serial number. Zippo cases, they don't have a serial number, it's just brass on the bottom. Or whatever your case is made out of, you know, chrome, whatever. But, yeah. So here is the fake one. So this is the fake insert. It says Sailor Jerry 2007 limited edition. It's just all wrong for a Zippo, but it's just wrong. If you look at a real Zippo, first you see how it stays in. It just has one bar, not the dots right there. And then you also see that it says keep away from children. And then on the back it says Zippo, for best results use Zippo brand flint and fluid. And yes, it also has a serial number, or not a serial number, but it says 09 and then the month. And then it says Bradford, Pennsylvania again. So at the bottom of this, it says lift to fill, and it's got the flint screw. So if you look at the bottom of this, okay, well, first off, it's backwards. It's really crappy quality because even though this hasn't been used, it's brown, paint's wearing off, the screw holes are different sizes. Now if you look inside this, one second. So you look inside that, you see the cotton. This is actually just cotton. There's nothing special about it. Like, pretty much they shoved a cotton ball inside this. That's what they did. Okay, now if you look at the Zippo. Alright. We see how it's not even sticking out. That's how Zippos are made. You're not supposed to just be able to, like, they're not supposed to be sticking out right there. And the screw is above the thing, right here, above the edge of the case. You can untighten it with your case if you had to. I mean, this one, you can obviously just untighten with your fingers. This one is below the sides. You can't use a case on it because it's lower than the actual sides. So if this was tightened, then you wouldn't be able to get it out. So, yeah. So, quick review. So, this is really basic. Obviously, check the bottom stamp on the case. Check the insert. If they're using brass, it's a fake. It's not Zippo. Zippo doesn't do that. The sound is what you want to check. And, I mean, don't buy from China. They're not made in China. You can buy them from the US, and I'm pretty sure you can buy them from Canada now because there's an Ontario factory. So, US, Canada. You can't buy them from China. They're fake. And this one isn't exactly a Zippo counterfeit. It doesn't say Zippo on it, but some people put these online saying Zippo, and they're not Zippos, okay? Zippo does make one like this, but it's not really modeled after the 1941 model. You see this is squared. It's like a 1941. I'll show you my 1941 later in another video, but it's also not a black ice finish on a 1941, so yeah. Alright, so that's my video showing a counterfeit Zippo or a real versus a real Zippo. And yeah, I'll make another video later showing my full Zippo collection. So thanks for watching.